Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, BEE Unit 6, lecture number 2, I am going to talk about elementary concept and I am going to discuss about the resistances. What is a resistance? What is the definition of it? Clear? Then what are the parameters it depends? And some other things we will discuss. Okay? So you will understand what is a resistance, resistivity, some basic concepts you will study and we will solve some problems based on that. So we know Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? The current flowing through conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the supply voltage V, or voltage across the two terminal is proportional to the current. You can say like this also, you can say like this also. Current flowing is proportional to the supply voltage. अगर source है तो supply voltage, अगर clear current flow हो रहा तो voltage difference is proportional to the current. Okay, so V equal to IR. Okay, so we can say V equal to IR or I equal to 1 upon R, that is a constant, into V. So you will get the V equal to IR, that is the Ohm's law. Okay, now here resistance is a constant of proportionality known as resistance. This R is known as constant of proportionality and it is called as resistance and its unit is Ohm. Now some limitations are there for the Ohm's law. What are the limitations? So first one, for electrolytes where gases are produced due to chemical action, this Ohm's law is not applicable for electrolytes where the gases are produced due to the chemical action. Okay, so here this Ohm's law is not applicable. Second, metals which are heated due to flow of large current. Clear? For rectifiers, transistors, vacuum tubes, gas filled tubes, etc. here it is not applicable. For semiconductor, clear? Metal rectifiers, crystal detectors, here Ohm's law is not applicable. So these are the limitations of Ohm's law. कहाँ applicable नहीं है? Electrolytes में, clear? Metals which is heated due to the flow of large current, rectifier, transistors, vacuum tubes, gas filled tubes, semiconductor, metal rectifiers, crystal detectors, etc. So please be careful about it. This is the question examiner may ask in MCQs. The Ohm's law is not applicable. So you must know कहाँ applicable नहीं है. Okay? Ohm's law क्या है? Current flowing through a conductor is proportional to the supply voltage. एक या उल्टा बोल सकते हैं, the potential difference across the two terminal is proportional to the current flowing through it. Okay, so V equal to I is proportional to V, yeah, so we can say I equal to 1 upon R into V, yeah, V is proportional to I, so V equal to I into R into I, that is Ohm's law. Okay. Okay, now next slide I am going to discuss, that is the resistance. What is a resistance? It is the property of the substance due to which it opposes the flow of current through it. We can say resistance is the property of the substance. भाई कोई भी मटेरियल ले लो, सबका रेजिस्टेंस है, किसी का कम है, किसी का ज्यादा, किसी का इनफाइनाइट है. वुड, प्लास्टिक, क्या है, करंट अलाउ करेगा कि नहीं करता. क्यों नहीं करता? क्योंकि उसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? इनफाइनाइट है तो करंट क्या होता है? V upon R अगर इनफाइनाइट है तो करंट जीरो हो जाएगा, राइट? सो इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द सब्सटेंस ड्यू टू विच इट अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ करंट थ्रू इट. Its unit is ohm. It is represented like this. Okay, so we can say resistance is directly proportional to the, what are the factors on which resistance depends? It is proportional to the length. इसका मतलब जितना ज्यादा लेंथ होगा उतना रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा. More the length, resistance will increase. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area. जितना ज़्यादा area होगा उतना resistance कम होगा. It is inversely proportional to the resistance. So we can say resistance equal to length is proportional to the length upon area. It is proportional to, it is inversely proportional to. Clear? So resistance equal to one constant of proportionality rho L by A. What is this rho? Rho is known as resistivity. Or specific resistance. It shows the nature of medium. क्या शो करता है? It shows the nature of इसका मतलब ये अगर हमारे पास एल्यूमिनियम और कॉपर के दो वायर हैं, सेम लेंथ सेम एरिया, resistance will be same or different? It is different. Why? Because of their nature is different. Their nature of कौन शो करता है? Nature शो करता है rho, resistivity. Okay? इसका मतलब rho will be different for different material. So I got the formula R equal to rho L by A, right? So okay, rho, okay, so rho L by A. So okay, so यहाँ पर वो रह गया था rho L by A. Okay, this is a circular conductor. Area is A meter square, length is L meter from here to here, 1 meter, right? और ये क्यूब है 1 मीटर by 1 मीटर by 1 मीटर का. So I'm going to show here. So since we know R equal to what? R equal to rho L by A, right? This R equal to rho L by A. So rho equal to what? R into area numerator में जाएगा upon L. This is L. Okay. So rho equal to R into A upon L. Now, if A equal to 1 meter square and L equal to 1 meter, अगर आप ले लें ये 1 meter square, right? So what is the rho? Rho equal to, can we say R? अगर ये दोनों 1 1 है तो rho equal to what? R. So we can say resistivity, that is the specific resistance, is defined as the resistance when area cross section is 1 meter square and length of conductor is 1 meter, right? So how will you define the specific resistance? Is defined as the resistance. It is defined as the resistance when area of cross section is 1 meter square and length of conductor is 1 meter. अगर length 1 meter है, area is 1 meter square है, so resistivity is defined as resistance. Clear? And इसका unit क्या होगा? Rho का. इसका unit क्या होगा? Rho का. इसका unit क्या है? Ohm. इसका unit क्या है? Meter square upon इसका unit क्या है? Meter. So meter cancelled, you will get ohm meter. What is the unit of resistivity? Ohm meter. B, you must know it, right? Definition clear. Conductance. What is the conductance? Conductance is defined as G. Clear? It is reciprocal of resistance. It is G equal to what? 1 upon R. Reciprocal of resistance. Reciprocal of resistance is called as conductance. Clear? So 1 upon R equal to G. इसका unit क्या? Ohm. So 1 upon ohm, and 1 upon ohm उल्टा होता है ohm, that is mho. उल्टा OHM, MHO, OHM, ohm, MHO, mho. It is represented by like that, ulta, ohm ka ulta, right? So it is conductance. Conductance is what? 1 upon resistance. It is what? It is a property of the substance due to which current flows. It allows the flow of current. It is called as conductance. It allows the flow of current. Resistance क्या है? It opposes the flow of current. Clear? Conductivity. Similarly, resistivity. Resistance क्या होता है? Conductance 1 upon R. Similarly, conductivity is represented like this. Okay? 1 upon rho. 1 upon rho. 1 upon rho. 1 इसका यूनिट क्या है? 1 upon ohm meter. Clear? So इसका क्या होगा? Mho per meter. By 1 upon ohm क्या होता? Mho per meter. So please be care about it. These are the definition, these are the formulas, these are the units. You must know it, right? Now, water system analogy. Suppose, what is actually I want to show what is resistance. ये वोल्टेज सोर्स है और ये रेजिस्टेंस किसको अपोज कर रहा है, यू कैन सी हियर करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ना ऐसा. ओके, सो रेजिस्टेंस जितना ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस होगा उतना करंट कम होता जाएगा, बिकॉज आई इक्वल टू व्हाट, ओम्स लॉ, आई इक्वल टू क्या, वी अपॉन आर, मोर द रेजिस्टेंस लेस द करंट. सो रेजिस्टेंस क्या कर रहा है, अपोज द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. सिमिलरली इट इज वाटर सिस्टम है, ये पंप है, ये पाइप के थ्रू पानी फ्लो हो रहा है, ऐसा वाटर इज फ्लोइंग. ये अगर आप पाइप को दबा दो, कंस्ट्रक्शन दबाने से क्या हो रहा है, पानी कम हो जाएगा ना इधर से, क्लियर ना. सो पानी कम होने वाला है. सो क्या कर रहा है ये क्या है, ये रेजिस्टेंस इज नथिंग बट दिस, resistance is nothing. So this is the resistance is like the constriction developed by the pump in water pump set. Resistance is like the constriction developed by the pump in a water system, right? So this is the water system analogy, just only for idea I have developed. Okay. Okay, next slide I am going to take some problems I am going to discuss. Okay, and your concept will be clear from that here. So see here, एक काम करता हूँ, I am going to develop some problems. I'm going to select the ink. So see here, find the resistance of the copper conductor 1000 meter. 1000 meter. L is given 1000 meter, and this is the area is given. Area is given. What is the area is given? 0.0005 meter square, having the resistivity this. Find the resistance R equal to what? Rho L by A. Rho is given 1.72 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter into length is 1000 meter upon area. Area is 0.0005 meter square. This is ohm meter into meter, इसकी लेंथ, इसका डायमीटर, सॉरी यूनिट, और इसका है मीटर स्क्वायर. You will get answer is in ohm, right? Okay, so just use the calculator, you can get the answer. What is the value? Just 1.72 exponential minus 8 into 1000 divided by 0.0005. I'm getting 0.0344, 0.034, right? That is the answer. 0.0344 ohm. That is the answer I'm getting. Okay. So just it is very simple. We know the formula R equal to rho L by A. Everything is given. Length is given 1000 meter. Area is given 0.0005 meter square, and resistivity is given directly 1.72 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. Directly everything is given. No need to do it. Just put the value, you will get the answer, right? I'm rubbing it. Okay, next problem I'm talking. Problem number 2. Okay. A coil consists of 2000 turns of copper wire having a cross-sectional area 0.8 mm square. Area is given. What is area is given? 0.8 millimeter square. Please याद रखना, whenever you are solving the problem, in engineering or anywhere in the world, we will solve an MKS system, मीटर kg सेकंड सिस्टम. आजकल उसको ऐसा यूनिट भी बोलते हैं. क्लियर? मीटर kg सेकंड सिस्टम ऐसा यूनिट. सो ये मीटर में है कि मिलीमीटर में है? मिलीमीटर में. तो इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 0.8 into in 1 mm. how in 1 mm? 1 mm मतलब 10⁻³ मीटर. 1000 mm इक्वल टू होता है 1 मीटर. 100 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 मीटर और 10 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 mm. सो कितना हो जाएगा? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 1 मीटर मतलब क्या होगा? इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 मतलब 10⁻³ और स्क्वायर है तो -6 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर kg second system. So 0.8 mm square मतलब 0.8 into 10⁻⁻6 meter square, right? The mean length per ton. अगर आपकी coil is like this, coil ऐसी है, it is like this. Clear? And how many turns are there? 80. मीन लेंथ पर टर्न. एक टर्न की लेंथ कितनी है? एक टर्न, सॉरी, इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस, इट इज 1 टर्न्स कितना है? सॉरी, आई एम जस्ट रबिंग इट. दिस इज ये आपका ये है. इसमें एक टर्न यहां से लेके यहां तक, इसकी लेंथ कितनी है? 80 सेंटीमीटर. एंड हाउ मेनी टर्न्स आर देयर? 2000. से टोटल टर्न्स कितनी हो जाएंगी? टोटल लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी? 80 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0.8 मीटर एक लेंथ की. और टोटल टर्न्स कितनी है? 2000. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2000. क्लियर? सो ये आएगा 1600 मीटर. क्लियर ना? 80 सेंटीमीटर का मतलब होता 0.8 मीटर एक टर्न का. ऐसे कितने, हाउ मेनी टर्न्स आर देयर? एंड रेजिस्टिविटी रो इज गिवन. व्हाट इज रो इज गिवन? रेजिस्टिविटी आपका पर इज 0.02 माइक्रो ओम मीटर. 0.02 माइक्रो का मतलब होता है -6 ओम मीटर. Okay, so every rho L, everything is given. We will use the formula R equal to rho L by A. Rho कितना है? 0.02 into 10⁻⁻6 ohm meter multiply by length कितना है? 1600 upon area is given 0.8 into 10⁻⁻6. So -6 cancelled. You will get 0.02 into 1600 divided by 0.8. I am getting 40 ohm. R equal to what? That is the first answer I got it, right? Now find the resistance of the coil. Okay, the power absorbed by the coil connected across 110 volt DC supply. P equal to what? Power absorbed equal to the V square upon R. V कितना दिया है? It is given 110 का square upon R is given 40. We got it. So divided by I am getting to 302 watt equal to 302.5 watt. These are the answers. Okay. So it is very simple. Just convert into MKS system. Okay, put the value, you will get the answer. Rubbing it. Okay, next question I am going to talk. Question number 3. An aluminum wire 7.5 meter long and connected in parallel with a copper wire 6 meter long. Okay, so I have given aluminum wire. This is the aluminum wire and this is the copper wire. This is 7.5 meter long. This aluminum wire 7.5 meter. So just I am going to do it. 7.5 meter or copper wire is 6 meter long, right? Connected in parallel. Therefore, you can see here I have connected these two wires in parallel. These two are connected in parallel across the supply. So parallel में हो गए दो वायर. Okay. When a current of 5 ampere pass through the combination, total current कितना दिया है? It is given 5 ampere. Total current is given 5 ampere pass through it, right? Okay, and it is found that the current through aluminum wire is 3 ampere. I got here the current through aluminum wire is 3 ampere. Obviously यहाँ से कितना आ रहा है? 5 आ रहा है. इसमें कितना जा रहा है? 3. तो obviously यहाँ कितना जाएगा? 2 ampere. It is not given but it is clear. 3 ampere 5 आ रहा है, 3 यहाँ जा रहा है एल्यूमिनियम में here. So obviously यहाँ कितना आएगा? 2 ampere. Okay. Diameter of aluminum wire is given 1 mm. Diameter of aluminum, it is given कितना? 1 mm. Okay. Diameter of the, determine the diameter of copper. We have to calculate diameter of copper. We have to calculate, right? Okay. Resistivity of copper, rho copper and rho aluminum is given. What is rho copper is given? Resistivity of copper is 0.017 into 10 raised to power minus 6 micro ohm meter. And resistivity of aluminum कितना दिया है? 0.028 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm meter. These two things are given. क्या निकालना diameter of copper? Anyway, forget it. Just what is the important clue they have given? If you think about this problem, you will get what is the important thing they have given. These two coils, copper and aluminum, are connected in parallel. That is very important clue they have given. अगर if they are in parallel, इसका मतलब V of aluminum equal to V of copper will be same or different? Same. Parallel में voltage same होता है. सीरीज में दिया होता तो क्या सेम होता? करंट सेम होता. Anyway, V of aluminum मतलब R aluminum into I aluminum current equal to R copper. V equal to क्या होता? I into R into I through copper, right ना? वोल्टेज क्या होता? V equal to I R Ohm's law. तो V aluminum equal to V R through R resistance of aluminum into current through aluminum equal to resistance of copper into, okay. So R aluminum upon R copper equal to what? I copper upon I aluminum. ये इधर आएगा, ये उधर जाएगा. What is I copper is given? कितना है? 2 ampere. I aluminum कितना है? 3 ampere. So I know this ratio. Okay. Now I am going to solve this case here. Okay. Just मैं एक इंक चेंज करता हूँ. Come back. Now मैं यहाँ आता हूँ. Sorry. Back. Sorry. Okay. Now this R aluminum equal to क्या होता है? Rho aluminum, rho Ly length of aluminum upon area of aluminum. R equal to rho Lya upon rho copper, length of copper upon area of copper. R equal to rho Lya copper का equal to I got 2/3 equal to, जिसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं rho aluminum upon rho copper, this into length of aluminum upon length of कॉपर इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ कॉपर, उल्टा हो जाएगा ये, एरिया ऑफ कॉपर अपॉन एरिया ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम इक्वल टू 2/3 है। सो लेंथ ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम, again I am going to simplify it, length of row of aluminum upon row of copper into length of aluminum upon length of copper equal to area क्या होता पाई बाई 4 d square ना, पाई बाई 4 d diameter of copper we have to calculate diameter of copper square upon ये पाई बाई 4 है, पाई बाई 4 एरिया क्या होता है पाई बाई 4 डी स्क्वायर ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम, डी ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम कितना है 1 mm स्क्वायर। प्लीज बी केयरफुल, आप चाहो तो इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, 1 mm का मतलब होता है 0.1 into 10⁻³ योर दिस विल बी इन मीटर, योर आंसर विल बी इन मीटर। अगर आप इसको mm में रखते हैं दिस विल आंसर विल बी इन mm आ जाएगा, तो कोई जरूरत नहीं कन्वर्ट करने की, राइट। इक्वल टू व्हाट, इक्वल टू 2/3 है ये, इक्वल टू 2/3 रेशियो। नाउ जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट। लेंथ रो ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम कितना है, रो ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम 0.028 लिखना है तो लिखो 10⁻⁻⁶ अपॉन रो ऑफ कॉपर कितना है, ये रो ऑफ कॉपर क्या है, रो ऑफ कॉपर 0.017 into 10⁻⁻⁶, this -6 cancel into length of aluminum कितना है, length of aluminum 7.5 meter upon length of copper 6 meter into this pi by 4 and this pi by 4 will be cancelled, so d of copper का square upon 1 का square 1 ही होता है equal to 2/3। So everything is known, you will get the d copper square equal to d copper square क्या आ रहा है देखो 2 कितना आ रहा है, मैं यही कर देता हूं चलो, कितना दिस इज 2/3 इंटू ये वैल्यू इधर जाएगी तो 6/7.5, ये वैल्यू इधर आएगी तो 0.017 अपॉन 0.028 अलग कर देता हूं उसको, राइट। और अंडर रूट लेंगे इसका तो ये डी मीटर स्क्वायर हट जाएगा, डी कॉपर इक्वल, राइट। क्या है
पानी आप बोलते हो ना कंटिन्यूस, फिल्टर का है दुगर का।
Okay, so I got 2 into 6 into 0.017 equal divided by 3 divided by 7.5 divided by 0.028. So I got this answer 0.323, or under root, if you take under root you will get 0.569, 0.569. It was in mm, so this will be answer in mm. Okay, so I am getting the answer 0.569 mm, that is 0.57 mm. Okay, so this was very simple problem, just if you know the concept you can get the answer. Okay, so this is over. I'm rubbing it. I had discussed the 3 problems, okay, and this is only for clearing your concept. If your concept is clear, your formula is clear, you are writing properly, you are doing properly with the help of calculator, you will get the answer, right? Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you very much.